Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare on PlayStation 4. First, make sure your console is connected to the internet for updates and online play. Then, simply insert the game disc into your PlayStation 4. The system will prompt you to install the game and any necessary updates, which can be several gigabytes. Finally, you will need to create or log into your Activision account to access all game features, including multiplayer. Once you are in the game, understanding the basic controls is key. Use the left analog stick to move your character around the map, and the right analog stick to control your aim and camera view. To engage enemies, press the R2 button to fire your weapon, and hold L2 to aim down your weapon sights for better accuracy. The X button is for jumping, while the circle button lets you crouch or go prone. Remember to use the square button to interact with items or reload your weapon. Call of Duty Modern Warfare offers several exciting game modes. You can dive into the immersive single-player campaign, which provides a rich narrative experience. For competitive action, jump into multiplayer, where you battle other players across various maps and objective types. If you prefer cooperative play, the Special Ops missions allow you to team up with friends against AI enemies. Each mode has unique objectives, so understanding them is crucial for success and earning rewards. To enhance your gameplay, consider customizing your weapon loadouts. Experiment with different attachments and perks to find what works best for your playstyle. Always keep an eye on your minimap. It provides vital information about enemy locations and your teammates' positions. Effective communication with your squad, especially in objective-based modes, can significantly increase your chances of winning. Finally, consistent practice in various modes will sharpen your aim and tactical decision-making skills over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.